Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at Japanese convenience stores, 7-Eleven and Lawson. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a convenience store staff member. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What hot Japanese snack is famous at Lawson? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Mina, look, another convenience store. That makes 5 today.
Welcome to Japan. We have them everywhere.
I see one on every corner. Is this normal here?
Yes, very normal. Japan has about 56,000 convenience stores.
56,000. That is a huge number.
It is. We call them konbini in Japanese.
Konbini. Sounds cute.
People here use them every day for food, drinks, snacks, and many more things.
More things? Like what?
I will show you, but first, look up at the sign.
Red, green, and orange stripes. Very bright.
That is 7-Eleven, the biggest chain in Japan.
7-Eleven. We have it in my country too.
I know, but Japanese 7-Eleven is different.
Different how?
You will see soon. Also, did you know people call konbini a lifeline?
A lifeline? Like a phone line?
No, like a lifesaver. When there is an earthquake, konbinis stay open.
Even during an earthquake? That is brave.
They give food and water to people who need help.
Wow, that is amazing. So they are not just stores.
Right. The government calls them a lifeline too.
A store and a lifeline. 2 jobs at the same time.
Exactly. Now, are you ready to go in?
I am very ready. Let's go.
Watch the door. It opens by itself.
It opens? Wow, it really did. And a song is playing?
Yes, many konbini have a sound or music near the door.
It is bright and cool inside. The air is so clean.
Yes, many tourists love konbini too. Some even take photos.
Photos of a store?
Yes, the colorful signs, the snacks, the drinks, they are like art for some people.
I will take a few photos too. My friends back home will be surprised.
Look, that sign over there is Family Mart, green and blue.
And that yellow and white one?
That is Mini Stop, smaller but famous for ice cream.
3 chains, 3 colors. So easy to find.
Yes, at night, konbini lights work like street lamps too.
A store, a lifeline, and a street lamp. Wow!
That is konbini for you.
Great! I like this country more and more.
Wow, look at all the bento boxes.
I told you there are over 20 kinds today.
20 kinds in one store? But they are cold.
They are cold now, but the staff will warm them for you.
The staff will warm my bento for free?
Yes, when you go to the cashier, they will ask, "Atatamemasu ka?"
Atata what?
Atatamasu ka? It means, will I warm it?
That is a long word.
Yes, but you don't need to say it.
Really? What do I say then?
Just say, please warm it up. Or, yes, please.
Oh, that is easy. So they put it in a microwave?
Yes, it takes about 1 minute.
Is it really free?
Yes, it is a free service.
That is so kind. In my country, we have to warm it ourselves.
In Japan, the staff does it for you. It is normal here.
Now, which bento should I try?
That one is karaage bento, fried chicken with rice.
Karaage? Like karaage-kun?
Yes, karaage means Japanese fried chicken, but karaage-kun is a different snack. You will see later.
I will try karaage bento today. It looks delicious.
Good choice. It is 650 yen.
650 yen for a full meal? That is cheap.
Yes, konbini food is cheap and tasty. Now, let's go to the cashier.
One moment. Let me get a drink too.
Good idea. There is green tea over there.
Perfect. I will get one and meet you at the cashier.
Sure. Green tea is 150 yen, by the way.
150 yen. Got it. Wait, what other bento do you recommend for next time?
Sushi bento, salmon bento, and curry rice are popular.
Curry rice in a bento? I love that idea.
Many konbini also have salads, soup, and sandwiches.
A whole meal in one place. So convenient.
That is why they are called convenience stores.
How often do they get fresh bento?
3 times a day, morning, noon, and night.
3 times a day. That is why they always look fresh.
Yes, the staff takes old bento away. Only fresh ones stay.
That is good for the customers.
Now, go pick your drink. I will wait for you in line.
Hi, I want this bento, please.
Yes, of course. Atatamemasu ka? I mean, do you want it warm?
Yes, please warm it up.
Sure. It will take about 1 minute.
Take your time.
Is this your first time in Japan?
Yes, my first time. My friend is showing me around.
Welcome to Japan. How do you like our country?
I love it. Everything is so clean and kind.
Thank you. The bento is ready. And the green tea?
Yes, the green tea too, please.
Do you need a plastic bag? Bags are 5 yen now.
5 yen? Why?
To save the planet. Many people bring their own bag.
Oh, that is a great idea. Yes, please give me one this time. I will buy a tote bag next time.
That would be wonderful. Many shops sell cute tote bags now.
I will look for one tomorrow.
Your total is 805 yen with the bag.
805 yen. How can I pay?
Cash, card, or IC?
Cash, card, or IC? 3 ways?
Yes, and we also take PayPay, Line Pay, and Quick Pay. More than 5 ways.
5 ways? Wow. I have an IC card. Suica.
Great. Please touch the reader here.
Okay, here we go. Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipts and your bag.
Wait, you put chopsticks in the bag too?
Yes, and a wet napkin. It is normal here.
Wow, you think of everything.
That is our job. Please come again.
Thank you. One more question. Why is the music so happy?
The store music is part of the konbini feeling. People know the sound right away.
It really makes me smile.
I'm glad. Enjoy your bento and have a great day in Japan.
Thank you so much. See you again.
See you. Take care.
Mina, this is Lawson, right? The blue store.
Yes, Lawson is another big chain in Japan.
I see the blue milk bottle on the sign.
That is their logo. Their name comes from a milk store in America.
A milk store. Interesting history.
Yes, now let's go to the hot snack corner near the cashier.
Oh, wow. Look at that yellow box with a cute character on it.
That is karaage-kun, Lawson's most famous snack.
Karaage-kun? Like the karaage from the bento earlier?
Same idea, but karaage-kun is small and round, bite-sized pieces.
Bite size. And the character is so cute.
Karaage-kun, too. He is a famous character. He started in 1986.
1986? That is older than me.
Yes, he is a senior.
How many do they sell?
I heard Lawson sells a lot every year.
A lot. That is hard to believe for one snack.
It is true. Only at Lawson. You cannot buy it anywhere else.
Only at Lawson. Then I have to try one.
They have many flavors. Plain, cheese, hot, and ones that change with the season.
Which one should I try first?
Try plain first. It is the most popular one.
Plain it is. How much is one box?
About 288 yen. 5 pieces in a box.
That is a good price for a snack.
It is. Many people get one with their coffee.
Coffee and karaage-kun sounds like a perfect pair.
Let's get one. We can eat it in the eat-in space.
Wait, what about other hot snacks? I see steamed buns.
Those are nikuman and pizzaman. Meat buns and pizza buns.
Pizza buns? That sounds delicious.
They are great in winter, hot and soft.
And what are those long sticks?
American dogs, like a sausage on a stick with soft fried bread around it.
So many hot snacks.
Each chain has its own special menu. Lawson has karaage-kun.
What about 7-Eleven?
7-Eleven is famous for their Gold Series food and cold sweets.
Gold Series. Sounds special.
Yes, more special food. Many fans love them.
I want to try those too. There is too much to try.
One trip is not enough. You may need a konbini week.
A konbini week sounds wonderful.
Maybe you can do that next time.
Is there an eat-in space inside a konbini?
Yes, I will show you after we pay.
Konbini surprises never stop. Wait, is that an ATM inside a convenience store?
Yes, most konbini have an ATM.
Can foreign people use it?
Yes, most accept Visa, MasterCard, and other foreign cards.
That is so useful for tourists.
Many tourists use konbini ATMs like a money exchange.
I needed yen this morning. I went to a bank and waited 30 minutes.
Oh no, next time just come to a konbini, open 24 hours.
24 hours? Even at night?
Yes, always open, always working.
I will remember that. And what is this big machine here?
That is a multi-copy machine. Multi means many.
A copy machine in a store. Why?
It is not only for copying. You can do many things here.
Like what?
You can print concert tickets, photos, and even city papers.
City papers? Like an ID or something?
Yes, things like papers that show where you live.
You mean people get their city papers at a convenience store?
Yes, you do not need to go to a city office.
That changes everything. In my country, I wait in line for hours.
Here, the machine prints it in 1 minute.
1 minute? Amazing. So a konbini is...
A store, a bank, a post office, and a city office, all in one.
all in one little building. That is the secret of Japan.
Maybe. Japanese people love things that are quick and easy.
I am learning so much today.
We are not done yet. Can this machine do anything else?
I do not know. Is there more?
Yes, you can buy bus tickets, send faxes, and even pay your tax.
Pay my tax at a konbini. That sounds strange but cool.
You can pay many bills here: electric, gas, water, phone.
That saves so much time. No need to go to many places.
Right, and konbini receive packages too.
Receive packages at a konbini?
Yes, if you are not home, the delivery comes here. You pick it up later.
That is so smart. I will never miss a package again.
You can also send packages from here. Just bring your box.
A post office, a bank, a city office, and a place for packages, all in one shop.
Yes, now let's get our drinks and sit down.
Lead the way. This eat-in space is so nice. Big windows, clean seats.
Yes, many konbini have one now. You can eat right after you pay.
My karaage-kun is so hot. Be careful.
It is fresh from the warmer.
It is crunchy outside, soft inside, delicious.
I told you, plain is the best.
And this coffee, it tastes like a real cafe drink.
How much did you pay for it?
110 yen. So cheap.
Yes, Japanese konbini coffee is famous now.
How many cups do people buy?
A lot. People buy konbini coffee every day in Japan.
Every day? Wow, that is a big habit.
It is. Many people call it part of their morning.
I see why. For 110 yen, this is a great deal.
Some konbini also have sweet bread, tea, and matcha drinks.
So one stop, one konbini, and you have everything.
Pretty much. Many people live near a konbini and use it like a kitchen.
A kitchen? That is a fun way to say it.
Today you saw bento, hot snacks, ATM, copy machines, and eat-in.
And the welcome song and the kind staff.
Yes. Did you enjoy your first konbini day?
I loved it. I tried karaage-kun today, and I will never forget it.
Good. Next time, let's try Family Mart and Mini Stop too.
There are more chains. I am ready for the next adventure.
I have one more idea. Try your karaage bento now too.
Good idea. I'm still a little hungry. Let me open it.
It should still be warm.
The rice is soft, the chicken is juicy.
Konbini bento are made every day in big kitchens. They are made with care.
I can taste it. This is better than some restaurants.
Many young people, older people, and tourists love konbini for this reason.
Cheap, tasty, and quick. 3 magic words.
You sound like a Japanese person now.
What is your favorite konbini, Mina?
I love all 3. 7-Eleven for sweets, Lawson for karaage-kun, Family Mart for fried chicken.
One favorite for each chain. That is a smart plan.
You really love konbini now.
I do. Thank you for showing me, Mina.
Anytime. Welcome to Konbini Life.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What hot Japanese snack is famous at Lawson? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.